Hello moneymakers. People are literally making a lot of money from this secret niche through TikTok Creativity Program and YouTube Partner Program as well. Some of these channels upload videos on both platforms and are doing pretty well in their business. This is a new money-making machine that very few people know of. Yes, that's right. This channel has gained over 200,000 subscribers and could be making over $20,000 per month. In this video, I will show the exact formula they are using to create videos. So let's grab some popcorns and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Alright, let's go step by step. Step 1. Finding viral video ideas. And for this, you don't need to peek at any random video ideas. We need to find an interesting and tragic crime stories which influence people to comment on your video. The best way to find such stories is to just Google them and look the blogs that cover such stories. Moreover, you will also find stories from Reddit. Search Reddit True Crime Stories and choose the one which has a large number of followers and good engagement, as those stories will get you good success on YouTube as compared to other ones. Alternatively, the other method is to find your competitor channels on YouTube and TikTok. Then take inspiration from them and choose your topics accordingly. You can look for their popular videos with good engagement ratio. Choose an interesting story which has number of comments and likes, and copy the whole story. Now let's move to the next step. Step 2. Writing scripts. The story which we copied from Reddit will be long and detailed one and can't be used in short videos. Hence, we need to convert this story into short 1-minute video. And for this, let's take the help from AI. Open ChatGPT and ask, can you convert this story in 1-minute script? As a result, ChatGPT provides a perfect story. But we need to create a hook so the people watch our videos till the end. So let's ask ChatGPT. Please write a hook at the start of the story, so the viewers watch it till the end. And there it is, ChatGPT writes a perfect hook for my video. Add the hook in your script and make the script more interesting by adding your own words. Check other channels' videos and see how they start their intro and what type of hooks they use, and create yours accordingly.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
So we have a script. Now, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Generating voiceover. For this, I will use 11 Labs, because it offers high-quality voices. And your audience will not feel that it is AI-generated voice and connect more with your video. Alright, open 11 Labs, open Voice Library, and choose a deep voice for this type of niche. After choosing your voice, add this into the Voice Library. Now paste the script and hit Generate.
Imagine leaving home for a quick errand, never to return. This is the chilling reality of Lindsay Jo Reimer, a 13-year-old girl.
Perfect, let's download this. So our voiceover is ready. Now we need to find images. Step 4. Finding images and videos. Open Google and search for the murder victim images. If the story is actually based on true events, you will get many related images on Google. However, you can also generate images with AI. Now, one by one, download all the images which are related to your story. However, if you find some related footage from any social media platform, you can use those as well. And never download any image and video with bloods, because it violates YouTube policy. So this way collects all the footage and images for your video. Alright, so now we have all the materials. Now it's time to edit to merge all together. And for this, we are going to use CapCut desktop app. Open CapCut and import all the materials. Now first drag the voiceover into the timeline. Then choose a 9:16 ratio from these available option. After that, drag the one image and add it into the second layer. Stretch the image till the voiceover is completed. Now go the effect and search for the blur effect. Add any of effect into the image from the available options. This way, you can create a background of your video. Now one by one, set all the images which are in horizontal format in the upper layer like this. That way, you can use images and videos which is in horizontal format. You can also increase the volume of the voiceover if it's needed. Alright, once you set all the images, click on Effect. And choose one of these effects as per your video topic. So here I will add the Dark Night effect and spark effect to my video. Now click on the image go to the animation select combo. Add any of these animations to each and every images. After that, click on filter and add clear effect to complete video. However, you check other filters too. If that suits your video or enhances the quality, you can try that as well. Then click on text and generate the auto caption, which increase the retention rate of your video. Choose text, fonts, size and animation from here. Make sure the text should be readable. All right, at last, add the most important thing, which is background music. If you are uploading on TikTok, you can choose trending songs, means the music which is trending in these types of videos. Or if you are uploading on YouTube, you can take music from the YouTube audio library. Open YouTube audio library and search suspense. Choose one of this music and download it. Now import the music into the timeline. Set the volume, and that's it. Your video is ready to be uploaded. So this way you can create a short video on true crime stories. If you want a tutorial in long-form crime video niche, let me know in the comment section below.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Imagine leaving home for a quick errand, never to return. This is the chilling reality of Lindsay Jo Reimer, a 13-year-old girl whose life was cut short on a seemingly ordinary night. What happened after she stepped out to buy a simple packet of cornflakes? Lindsay Jo Reimer was a bright and conscientious 13-year-old girl living in Hebden Bridge, West Yorkshire. On the night of November 7, 1994, she left home to buy a packet of cornflakes. CCTV captured her last moments at a Spar supermarket, but she never made it home. Despite extensive searches and public appeals, Lindsay remained missing for 5 months. On April 12, 1995, her body was tragically discovered in the Rochdale Canal, weighted down with a concrete boulder. The investigation into her murder has spanned decades, with police exploring various theories, from familiar suspects to potential connections with other crimes. Despite these efforts, Lindsay's killer remains unidentified, and her case remains unsolved.